Hey guys, it's Pam with Pam's Craft Boutique, and tonight I'm going to show you how to do a project using a new item I have in my Etsy shop. They are pumpkin faces, and they do come with glasses. So this is a 6x6 board, but I have two different sizes. I have faces that will fit on a 6x6 board and faces that will fit on a 2x4. So that you'll have the option deciding or to determine what size board that you wanted to do your project on. So I did mine in three different colors, traditional orange, of course. And then I did a bluish color and a pink color just to show you the different colors and how they look. And I painted them and then I stained them. And now I am sanding them with my big, powerful hand sander here. Palm sander, I think is what it's called. And then my pumpkin faces and the glasses that go with it, I am painting them black. Now the glasses are going to come with them, but you can leave them off if you want to. Totally up to you. And then I went into my backyard and found some old sticks that have fallen from the trees. And I'm going to cut them up, and that is what I'm going to use for the stem on the top of my boards. But first we're going to glue down our faces, and I'm just using a wood glue to be able to do that. And you want to glue down everything and let it sit for a minute. Make sure everything is good and secure before you turn it back up. And then, so that's the traditional pumpkin face. And then here is the other face with cute little sassy glasses. Now these faces are available in my Etsy shop. I'll link them in the comments below so that you'll have them. And we're going to get those glued down. Super, super cute. I love this one with the round glasses. I like all of them, to be quite honest with you. Now you're going to get 4 sets of faces. I only had 3 pieces of wood. This is actually a piece of wood that was in our scrap pile, and I grabbed it and got my husband to cut it down this morning. So I didn't have another board to do the 4th one, but if you go to my Etsy shop, you'll be able to see it there. But you'll get 4 faces, 4 different faces, and then 3 pairs of glasses is what you're going to get with your order. And now I'm going to hot glue that stem on there. And I add a lot of hot glue so my stem does not come off. And I'm going to do the same thing for this pink one. Now, this is a pink, I think it's called Pink Polish from Apple Barrel. And the blue is called Crystal Blue from Americana. And then I'm going to use some raffia and just tie a bow. And I'm going to hot glue it right in front of the wood stem that I got from my backyard. And then we're just going to glue that right on top of there. And then I do add a bow that's made out of jute as well. And I just put that right on top of the raffia. And once you do all that, guys, this project is done. So be sure to check them out in my Etsy shop. If you have any questions, let me know. And again, I'll link my Etsy shop in the comments below. But I hope y'all enjoyed this cute little project. If you have any questions, let me know. If you wouldn't mind sharing, I would appreciate it. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.